Hello and welcome. Discover the Srifoliage Mosquito Net Bed Canopy, designed especially for girls who love a touch of elegance. Made from chemical-free, breathable chiffon canvas, this canopy fits cribs, queen, twin, and other bed sizes perfectly. Its spacious height and dome shape create a cozy, dreamy princess castle where kids can read, play, and sleep comfortably. Installation is quick and easy, with a simple one-point suspension system that requires no tools or assembly skills. Not only does it keep mosquitoes away, but it also adds a romantic, fairy tale atmosphere to any bedroom. Plus, the elegant black curtains provide privacy and style, turning any room into a magical retreat. Enjoy the perfect blend of safety, beauty, and fun with this versatile bed canopy. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.